Hi lovelies. So, quick thing. I don't know if you guys understand how indecisive I am, but I've filmed like 3 separate videos these past few months, edited at least half of them, and then I've been like, I'm not gonna post these. So we're gonna go with an easy one today, and I'm gonna show you what I got for Christmas. Like every other person who does a video like this, I just wanted to show you guys, I think it's fun. It's just like a little haul, like what friends do. It's like, oh, look what I got. This is cool. Show me what you got. So let's get on with the video.
Excuse my hair. It's a bad hair day. There's no fixing that. So I'm first gonna start off with something my friend gave me. She sent it from Virginia, love her. She painted it herself, got an artistic flair. I was like, okay, girly, pop off. Now I will show you guys what's inside. No, it was very sweet. She's amazing at writing. These cute socks. And then she got me lip gloss, a vanilla bourbon hair and body mist, which I will use the heck out of this. Cleansing balm for my makeup, because, girly who wears makeup gotta, wash it off sometime. Quote, Lauren Barbour, 2024. Anyways, bath salts. I don't take a lot of baths, but this intrigues me to try. I take showers. It's not like I'm just like, oh, I don't take baths. I don't clean myself. No, I take showers. Anyways. These sheet masks. I always love these. These are so adorable when you put them on. Yet somehow I always look scary. A friendship bracelet. I used to make friendship bracelets together. So I was like, okay. Thank you, friend. I'm trying to keep her name anonymous. My mom got me Blue Moon, the palette from ColourPop. There's a trend going on with like the frosty 90s looks, and I got into it for a while. Is this mahogany colored lip oil. It says it's cherry oil infused, and I guess it's like a Dior dupe. Dior lip oil dupe.
Chanel dupe. Tiffany & Co. dupe.
I'm sorry, that was... The next thing is this lash lift kit. I've had a couple of my friends say that they've tried these on their own, but it didn't work, so hopefully I can have someone help me with it. Let's see. Soap, to keep clean, to smell nice, This wonderful Clueless journaling kit to journal when you are sad. Yes, yes. Anyways, who wouldn't love that? I mean, Clueless is great. Y'all should watch the movie if you haven't already.
What's up, Daddy?
What the hell is that?
A dress.
Says who?
Calvin Klein.
Very reminiscent of those 2000s movies. If you know, those 2000s movies. The Country of Ice Cream Star. They fold the pages to make a message, to make this. So, I mean, you could unfold the pages to read it, but unfortunately, I was asked not to do that. But, from what I've read so far, it seems like a good book. I also got A Little Life. The ones from Book Talk. No, I don't even have TikTok, but, I know this is a really popular book. The Count of Monte Cristo. So this is a bit like a collector's item for me, because in the 6th grade, I read The Count of Monte Cristo for the first time, and you guessed it, it was like this exact one with this same cover and everything. So I've spent quite a while trying to find the exact one, but I was able to, so I put that on my Christmas list, and I'm just really excited that I have it. I'm excited to read it again, because I think I've read it twice maybe already. 3rd time's the charm. And I think that's it for just the miscellaneous stuff. And basically the next stuff is clothing that I picked out during Black Friday from Cider. All of it's from Cider. Just because, they were having a pretty big Black Friday sale. We'll do like a little try on montage of that. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first couple of things that we got were this adorable skirt. I feel more comfortable in skirts than I do skirts, just because it feels like that little extra coverage. And then this adorable top, here's me dancing, this adorable top that has rose button thingies. Pretty cute. On to the next outfit. Now here's me saying hello. I have a cherry jumper. I never call those jumpers. I don't know why I'm saying it now. And I'm showing how the cherries are like really puffy in this outfit. So it gives an interesting shape. But it's cute nonetheless with a leather skirt. And yeah, next outfit. Gosh. Okay, here's me admiring how I would look in a bob. I actually think it looks really good. Wow. Anyways, I'll look at that later. Here is a cute turtleneck. I love turtlenecks. Oh my gosh, they're just so classy. And then this one has a bit of girliness and grunginess with like the prints of the belts. So I love that. And then paired with the leather skirt that I also had on in the last outfit. I didn't have as many bottoms in this one. It's just a really cute outfit. This next number is just one piece. It is a gorgeous burgundy corduroy blazer with a very cute heart embellished with pearls. I mean, it's perfect for me. Okay, I also got some other things. Here's something I bought. It's these leather pants. Very elegant. I got them from Saks Fifth for like $10 because sale rack. They're really cute. Love them. Yeets them. Yeah, I take care of my clothes, I swear. I got some free items. Some of the free items included like a measuring tape, which is really cool, stickers, and then they gave me these like free socks that like they hold hands together. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? They have like little magnets. Oh, and you know, both sides do it too. So that's darn adorable. And guess what? Not one, but two. This is absolutely amazing. It's innovative. I will definitely be using those because, I mean, why not? These were the ones that we bought. And so they've got like a little ribbon lace up, and then you could, you know, tie a little bow in the back of them, and they're just like solid black socks. I really like, you know, solid socks because they're easier to match with things. Like the fluffy socks that I got from my friend. I like wearing those either around the house or during Christmas time if we're dressing up for school or something like that. That is fun. I got some mesh socks that also have bows on them. I haven't opened them yet, as you can see. A little before Christmas, maybe a month or so before, I was looking at a gem shop and I was gonna buy this myself, but you know, I was able to get it for Christmas, meaning my mom bought it for me. This is just a placeholder that they had because I have more chains upstairs, so I didn't need to buy one from them. But it's this gorgeous like pendant. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm looking at the monitor. I'm using my phone as a monitor. It's giving 90s jewelry, but yeah. It's so cute and I'm really excited to wear it. I also got some money for Christmas. I bought an Italian charm bracelet, and I don't know if you guys know what those are, but apparently they were like a little trend back in, I want to say 90s, probably like late 90s, early 2000s, something like that. I'll have to look it up and I'll show you guys.
Yes, I won. I did it. I'm smarter than all of you. Guys, yes. Okay, that was a bit far, but I was right.
I got a customized one. Said a couple words to a seller and then I bought the thing. It's like a surprise. It's like unique to everyone and I'm really excited to get it. I think it should come in 7th or 8th. I will put a picture of it on my YouTube forum thing if I remember. Please help me remember. My next video is probably gonna be everything I crocheted in 2023, excluding the stuff that I already have in my February one. I don't know if it's up here. I don't know if it's up here. I still haven't gotten to which side it's gonna be on. But yeah, I will try and link it somewhere. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Until I see you again, au revoir, bonsoir, adios, arrivederci, love you guys, mwah, mwah, mwah. Hope you guys had a wonderful 2023. Y'all are still on.